They say the voice of the sea speaks to the soul. I'm Philip, here with my dearest Valentine. For us, freediving opens the opportunity to be in harmony with the sea and the magnificent world beneath it. Indonesia is truly a paradise, abound with beauty on its land and sea, spread across the archipelago. I arrive at this hidden gem in the highlands of Flores. Staying with the natives and exploring their authentic cooking is the most worthwhile learning for me. Personally, I'm amazed by these unique combinations of various kinds of spices. And SASA seasoning makes this experience even more exciting. We hike to the most scenic views we have seen so far. Views that we will remember for years ahead. It was hard to leave such beauty. One of the best ways to reach the land is to simply swim, passing the beautiful corals and reef. I'm catching up with Valentine, who's already preparing me some of the freshest, most exotic dishes for the Flavour. Now, this is more than just a feast. With so many stories to tell, and unparalleled rich taste that you can't find anywhere else. This whole experience is about enjoying the journey and feeling right at home, wherever the wind takes you.